Alright, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at one of the tools that I got sent from Banggood. So it's a little wire cutter, stripper, crimper kit. So it comes in this cool little case. Well, it was cool. Uh-oh, I think I broke it. So and it's a pretty good kit, especially because you can do different types of crimping terminals, or different types of crimps on different types of terminals. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate this for you guys. So really quick, I'll just go ahead and trim this wire down. So I'll just go ahead and I'll put this wire in here, and it's simple as that. I mean, I just strip that wire really quick. I really like this. This is pretty cool. And it comes with a little standard little crimper built into the handle there too. So this other crimper is the one with the dies. It's kind of like a ratchet style, so you can kind of ratchet in slowly, and then when you get to the end there, it has that automatic release, and it is adjustable, which is pretty cool. So I mean, I really like these, or this type of die, and it works really good with these standard, what you would get like at a Walmart or whatever. I mean, it works with these little terminal styles or type of terminals. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a terminal on this really quick and show you guys how fancy it looks. And there it is. I mean, it's that easy to use. I really like the feel of this tool. So I know this die that I'm using isn't the right one, but I mean, it just has a better clamp, or it crimps the terminal much better, which I like. I don't know. I know somebody out there's probably gonna cry about this, but you know, it works for me, and this is the way that I've been using it for crimping these types of terminals, or these types of connectors, I guess. So just to show you guys really quick, I mean, it comes out pretty fancy. And I mean, that thing ain't going anywhere. I mean, it's on there pretty good. So yeah, I cut it a little bit too long, but you know, just for demonstration purposes, just wanted to show you guys this tool. I've been using it. I've had a lot of projects that I've done with this. So I mean, during the summer I got really busy with stuff, and this came in handy, just along with every other tool that comes from Banggood. So I want to go ahead and thank them for sending this out too. Like I said, I'll go ahead and leave the description, or the link in the description box below. Check it out. It might be something you guys might be interested in. If not, that's okay. But you know, thanks for watching this video, all my subscribers, viewers, and I will catch you guys on the next one.